one bout of anger burns 1 month of your sadhana. मन को नियंत्रित रखना है, आपको अपने शपथ लेनी पड़ेगी. People should see that person is harmless. I don't think so he will say anything. If somebody is doing wrong, we can say in a better manner, in a graceful manner. How to control the mind? Mind is controlled by 2 things. Do the right actions. Be dharmic. Vasana controls the mind. What is right? Do that. Not what I like. And for that, one has to conquer his likes and dislikes. Let us do what we don't like is right, and let us not do what we like and is not right. What again? See? Let us do what we don't like and is right, and let us not do which is not right and we like. That is called tapasya. Uncontrolled mind means doing what it should not do, thinking what it should not think, and what is supposed to do, it is not doing that. Anger is tremendous, calm is tremendous, rag is tremendous. How can you have controlled mind? Sit down. Have a mind. You order the mind. Sit down. Close your eyes. What is the time? It is 7:20. You'll open the eyes only at 9 o'clock. No movement in the body. No hands, legs movement. That control should have. You did not do your job. You should not drink water for 2 hours. Itna control. Today, no anger. If anger is there, you have to do 10 malas extra. Mentally also don't brood. You sometimes don't express that mentally you are very angry. Apna standards, we should have upgraded mind. No anger. No need for anger. Why? Anger is worst thing. Angry person is the worst person of this whole world. In anger you lose what is right, what is wrong. In anger you lose your beautiful speech. I look down upon somebody. You don't objectify. You have subjectified something too much. Your ego is playing. No need to be angry. Itna control hona chahiye. You can do maximum goodness by your speech to others. People should see that person is harmless. I don't think so he will say anything. If somebody is doing wrong, we can say in a better manner, in a graceful manner. Anger makes a person animal. How much sadhana you do, how much jap you do, how much puja you do has zero value if anger comes. One bout of anger burns 1 month of your sadhana. Odiya Baba used to say. So this is where control the mind. Take vows in life. When you take vows, you will become a wow. If you don't have any vows, you have no wow factor in you. When you see somebody's schedule, you say, wow. Somebody's behavior, you say, wow. Somebody's writing, speaking, wow, what a nice writing. मन को नियंत्रित रखना है, आपको अपने शपथ लेनी पड़ेगी. Today, angerless day. Neither I'll think bad about anybody. You have to control the mind. You have only worth what is your mind is there. A cricketer is known which difficult bowler he can face. And a good bowler is known which good batsman he has bowled out. Difficult work करो थोड़ा सा. Mind को exercise दो थोड़ा सा. It's a challenge.